morning, everybody. January 15 or 16?
16.
16.
Yeah.
Saturday
Yeah, Saturday.
afternoon, noon.
Yeah.
Now we are in
In Pampanga. In Angeles.
Angeles.
Yeah.
Okay. So Raymond is taking a Pampanga food. Okay. What's our plan now?
After we eat here, we go to Nueva Ecija, to my place, and then meet my family, and then we go to the farm. Then
See your mango.
Yeah, mango farm. We'll go there, then after that, we go straight to Baguio.
Okay. So he is Raymond.
You should try unique
Oh.
food.
Second time. Are you sure this is Pampanga food?
Yeah.
Pampanga food.
The leaf. See
Oh,
the
the
leaf?
leaf.
Yeah.
It's tempura taste.
Yeah.
Okay. So we went to the Robinson, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Where's Pampanga girl?
Where is she? I don't know. But okay.
Make an interview.
Make an interview.
Where is she?
At the back.
At the back.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. See you next time.
Until next time.
Yeah. Okay.
Maybe we'll go back here again and meet her.
Yeah. Okay. Bye bye.
Bye. Don't see the fountain at the back.
Hello.
Hello. This is my place.
The name is.
Cuyapo, Nueva Ecija. Barangay Latap. Let's go to my house.
Like a living room. Let's go to my house.
Where to put that in YouTube again?
Raymond.
Hello,
What did you
just
see?
wake up.
Wake up.
Uh-huh.
You dream in the car.
Uh-huh.
Oh! Come inside my place.
Where's your house? Wow.
Go. Abu. Let's go inside. Come here. This is my mother-in-law,
Hello.
and that's my wife.
Wait.
He has many flowers but die.
So this is the place.
This is my mango farm place. The owner is my mother-in-law. You see the mango. Before the mango was like this only, and I was the one who planted this, and then became like this.
You plant from zero?
Yeah.
What? From here? Oh, you plant this?
From small up to big.
You plant this one?
Yeah. All.
This one.
This one also.
Exact position you
Exact
remember?
position. All the trees that you see.
How many years ago?
6 years. 6 years.
So 2006,
No. 7 years.
2003.
Yeah. So it was May 28, my son's birthday.
Oh, 10th birthday
Yeah,
also.
10th birthday also. You see the tree, it has many leaves, flowers, but already died because of the rain. That's why it becomes dark. The flower becomes dark because the rain, heavy rain came here, so flower died. Maybe next month, it will grow again, and we have some fruit.
Oh.
Let's go. That's the house of our caretaker.
Oh, you paying salary?
No, he is also a relative of my father-in-law. Look, the flower died already because heavy rain came. If not, it would become like this. If there's no